Do you have diabetes, or are you concerned about keeping your blood sugar under control? You might be making a mistake that sabotages your health every day without even realizing it. Today, we're going to talk about a habit that seems harmless, but if you eliminate it, could completely change your life and your health. It's not complicated or expensive, but it's the most important step you can take to prevent serious complications like heart attacks or organ damage. Stay until the end, because what you'll learn today will help you transform your well-being and live better. When we talk about managing diabetes, the first thing we always hear is the same: eat well and exercise. Sure, this is true, and both are fundamental pillars for managing diabetes. But there's something that almost nobody mentions, and that, if you don't address it first, could make all your efforts in vain. What am I talking about? The consumption of sugary liquids. Yes, those juices, sodas, and other seemingly harmless drinks that could be dangerously raising your blood sugar level without you realizing it. It's a common mistake to think that as long as we avoid cakes and desserts, we'll be safe. But let me tell you that sugary liquids are much more harmful than those sweets you're trying to avoid. Why? Because its effect on the body is much faster and, in many cases, more aggressive. So before you keep investing in expensive diets or exercise routines, you need to eliminate this habit from your life. This is the first step to truly taking control of your health. Did you know that when you consume a sugary drink, like juice or soda, the sugar enters your system almost immediately? This happens because liquids do not need to be digested like solid foods. And here lies the main problem. These sugar spikes are not only bad at the moment. If they happen constantly, they increase your risk of developing complications like arteriosclerosis, hypertension, and cardiovascular diseases. They can even lead to a heart attack or a stroke. Is this what you want for your body? Of course not. That's why it's crucial that you take action starting today. Now, some might say, but I only drink natural juice. Let me clarify something. Even natural juices have high levels of sugar. No matter how healthy freshly squeezed orange juice seems, it actually contains almost as much sugar as a soda. The worst part is that by extracting the juice, we remove all the fiber from the fruit, which is what helps slow down the absorption of sugar. This means that the effect on your body is almost the same as drinking a soda. So, it doesn't matter if it's natural juice or one of those commercial juices. The impact on your body remains negative. Now, let's talk about what happens in your body when you experience these sugar spikes. Imagine you consume a juice or a soda. Within minutes, your blood glucose level skyrockets. Your pancreas has to work overtime to produce enough insulin and regulate that excess sugar. But if this happens constantly, over time your pancreas gets exhausted, and this can lead to insulin resistance or even diabetes that is harder to control. Moreover, these constant spikes are devastating for your arteries. Every time your sugar spikes sharply, inflammation increases in your blood vessels. This contributes to the development of atherosclerosis, which is nothing more than the hardening and narrowing of the arteries. Over time, this can lead to serious complications, such as heart attacks or strokes. And the most alarming thing is that many do not realize the damage until it is too late. That's why, if there is one habit you should quit right now, it is consuming sugary drinks. It may seem like a small change, but the impact it will have on your health is enormous. So what can you do? Does this mean you have to give up any flavored drink? Not at all. There are many healthy alternatives that can satisfy your cravings without harming your health. For example, instead of juices, opt for eating whole fruit. The fiber present in whole fruits slows down the absorption of sugar, preventing those dangerous spikes. You can also try herbal infusions or unsweetened teas. These drinks are not only delicious, but also provide additional health benefits. Another tip is to get used to drinking water as your main beverage. Many people underestimate the power of water, but staying hydrated with water is one of the best ways to support your body. If you feel you need something more, you can add slices of lemon, orange, or mint to give it a touch of natural flavor without adding sugar. If you find it hard to stop consuming sugary drinks, start slowly. For example, if you normally drink 2 glasses of soda a day, try reducing it to 1 during the first week. Then, replace that remaining glass with a healthier option. Remember, it's not about being perfect overnight, but about making sustainable changes that you can maintain in the long term. It's important to understand that these changes are not just to control your blood sugar level today, but to protect your health in the long run. Diabetes is a serious disease, but with the right habits, you can live a full and healthy life. By eliminating sugary drinks and opting for healthier alternatives, you are taking a key step towards a better quality of life. Also, don't forget that these changes not only benefit you, but also those around you. By adopting healthier habits, you inspire your family and friends to do the same. Together, you can build a healthier environment for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Eliminate those sugary drinks from your diet today and start feeling the difference. You don't need a complicated diet or extreme workouts to start seeing results. This simple change can transform your health faster than you think. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to the channel for more practical tips like this. Together, we can make health our priority. See you in the next video.